Hey, this is Nikki. I'm so glad that you signed up for my masterclass, Energized to Win, tapping into Tony Robbins' secret energy source to 10x your success and your income. It's happening in just 3 days on Tuesday. So go ahead and mark your calendars now. If it's not already on there, you don't want to miss it. I'm going to have it's going to be packed full of energy boosting strategies that high performers just like Tony Robbins uses to feel amazing, get more done, grow their income without burning out or feeling like you are done at the end of the day. So just a little preview, we're going to talk about one of Tony Robbins' favorite morning rituals. It just takes 10 minutes. It completely rewires your brain, wakes your body up so you can have focus, confidence, and energy. So make sure you're there. Make sure you show up live. There's going to be no replays. And there is also a special gift for those who stay till the end. So I will see you on Tuesday, live and in person. Super excited. And I'll see you there.